Hi, this is Rick for EDU Mobile. Now we're going to actually begin iOS development for mobile apps by having a small demonstration, which probably will take quite a long time to get through, and I apologize for that in advance. When you open Xcode, you have three options. You can get it started with a playground, you can create a new Xcode project, or you can check out something from an SCM repository. So, creating a new Xcode project for mobile app development is exactly what you want to do. So, we'll get started that way. I'm going to show you how we do this. First of all, at the beginning part of the course, we're just going to make sure that we have iOS app what the selected index might be. So put the default case in, and then if you want, just print out an error in case something happens. Segment that selected segment index does not exist. That would be fine. All right. Now, a view controller also has a delegate method that the superclass UI view controller itself is adopting a protocol, and that delegate method is view.didLoad. It also has one called did receive memory warning. It also has several others, but these are the two most important. And the one we're going to talk about now is view.didLoad. View.didLoad is where you would set up, it's a good place, one place, that you can set up some initial settings for the view in the controller. So always call through to super here. We want to give UI view controllers view.didLoad a chance to do its thing. And then we're going to set the color view background color to red. And now we're ready to run. So let's go ahead and do this. First we'll see that the background color of this view is no longer black. We're going to see the splash screen until we actually write our own splash screens. But now we see that this view's background color is no longer black, it's red. Why do we set it to red? Well, because the segmented control is going to have a default setting on it. We can change that to green or blue, but whatever that is, we should match the color. So if we select green, this changes to green because of our action method, and likewise blue will change it to blue. So, and then red will change it back. So that's a very simple application where we have interacted with controls both actively and passively. The passive control here is the UI view that we change the color on programmatically, and the active control is the segmented control. One other thing that we can do is we can go straight to view's background color. So view in this case is a property of the controller. It's actually self.view, the controller's view, but we don't have to put the self there. We can just say view. And then if we run this, that will set the view controller's view to black color. The reason I'm doing this in the example is so that you see that the master view that the user pretty much ignores, but is a container view for all other views in the view controller, can be interacted with. So let's go ahead and run again, and we will see after the initial splash screen that this change has been made. And there we go, red, green, blue, but the overall background color is black. Thank you very much.